Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So you can see I am not where I usually am when I record my videos. So I'm actually at work today. It's a super slow afternoon and my boss is not here. He left for the day, so I figured I would go ahead and record a video, you know, sneak one in there for you guys. I guess I would do like, a few things you didn't know about me video. I don't know. Do I have enough subscribers and interest for you guys to actually want to know anything about me? Well, there's just going to be a few things that I mentioned because it's hard coming up with things that people don't know about you that you don't want people to know. Just ask me whatever you've been wanting to ask me in the comments below. We'll see if I answer them or not. Anyway, the first thing that I wanted to let you guys know is, since I'm at work, I will let you know that I am a chiropractic assistant. I have a degree in the medical field and that is my background. So no, I'm not a professional makeup artist, although that would be nice. No, I'm not a professional hairstylist. I only know about my own hair and nobody else's. I guess that's a thing that a lot of people just don't know. I guess they assume that I do hair or makeup, which I don't. Not professionally anyways. The next thing that a lot of people don't really know about me is that I play violin. I started playing violin in 6th grade and all through school, all through high school, and then I continued on in my college. I am a little rusty. I have not pulled it out in a few months to play, but I actually am pretty good at it. Maybe one day I will record myself playing. But yeah, I play violin and have played for years, have my own instrument. Actually was teaching my daughter how to play. Maybe I should do that as a side gig too. You know, teaching violin lessons, that would be some good money. So the next thing that some people might not know is where I'm from. I talk a lot of shit about Texas, about how hot it is and how it's just miserable here during the summer. But I'm not actually from Texas. I've just lived here since 1999. So yes, many years. But I'm from Washington State. All my family, most of my family is in the Seattle, Tacoma area. And I moved away when I was 18. My ex-husband was in the Army, stayed and lived in Korea for about a year, and then we came to Texas. So I have been here ever since, trying to leave, but I can't get out of here. Another question that I get a lot is, what is my race or my nationality? I am Black, white, and Native. My mom was Swedish German, so she white. And my dad was Cherokee and Black. So that is what I am. I am a mixed race. A lot of people think that I'm Puerto Rican or Samoan, I guess maybe because of my nose. But yeah, I am Black and white and Native. So there you go, that's what I am. Another big question that I get is my age. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys will know how old I am. I just had a birthday on the 1st. Check out Instagram, and then you guys already know how old I am. So I've been told that I look a lot younger than what I am, but I have a 21-year-old, a 19-year-old, and a 17-year-old, so you do the math. It's not gonna spill that today, I guess. Not because I'm trying to hide my age or anything like that, but I just think it's funny for people to be so pressed about not knowing my age, although it's sort of everywhere if you look in other areas. So I wanted to share with you guys how I came up with my channel name. I've had a few people ask me, you know, what is it? What does it mean? Menaree is my nickname. Close friends and family call me Mina, but that nickname was created by my grandma. I guess I was a little bit mean. Of course, growing up with a crap ton of uncles, I had to be a little bit mean. They were all older and bigger than me. His name is Melina, so she started calling me Mina. And then Ree is because my middle name is Marie, so Menaree, and it stuck. So that is how I came up with my channel name. I just decided to use my nickname for the name of my channel. If you guys had any other questions that you wanted to ask me, make sure to comment below and I will answer them, or I may not answer them. It just depends on what kind of questions they are. Thank you guys for watching this quick little video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also, make sure to check me out on other social medias. Like I said, I'm on Instagram. I do have a Facebook, and I am on Snapchat too. All those are MakeupMenaree. Also, you guys, make sure to hit the thumbs up. That helps small channels like mine continue to grow. Your guys' commenting also helps with my channel. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time.